Hello and welcome to Lesson 13 of the Scratch Game Development and Programming course. This is the Angry Crab game, and we're going to get started here. I have the sprites and I have the scripts all preloaded, so as we go through this lesson, you'll see them preloaded. You can always stop, rewind, go back to this video, but I really wanted to kind of conserve time. There's 3 lessons. The first one we're going to deal with sprites, and then the last 2 we're going to deal with animations, the scripts, and the sounds. So the first thing we're going to want to do is get your stage and all of your sprites. And you'll notice we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sprites here, and the one stage. So you want the stage background, and you can use any underwater scene. This is a scene that's actually in your backgrounds. If you go to New Background and Import right here, you'll see it. You'll also have a crab. All of these resources I've got from within the Scratch preloaded assets. So all of these are there. You don't have to use these. You can find, if you find a crab and bubbles and octopus and fish and starfish that you like better, then go ahead and use those online. Use those if you find them online. But here are the sprites that we're dealing with. We've got a crab with the bubble and a crab without the bubble. So you see those are my costumes. So you're going to want 2 costumes for that one sprite. We've got the crab with and the crab without. Then we've got just our bubble. And our bubble is just going to be that one sprite. That's going to be what the crab sends up to try to hit the octopus with. Then we've got our octopus, and you see the octopus has 2 costumes as it kind of swims across the top. We've got the starfish that has 2 costumes as it swims across. And this starfish I basically just copied, and we can do that at the end. But he's going the other way, and you see his 2 costumes. And we've got our fish with its 2 costumes, and its tail's just going up and down. That's the only difference there. And then we've got this. This is the text that shows when the green flag is clicked, and it just says hit the octopus, and it's just going to be that text. Then it's only going to show, you'll see when we get to the scripts, for a few seconds. And so that is lesson 1. Get your sprites set up, get your project set up. I went ahead and named my sprites in this one. You'll see it says crab up here, and you can just change the name of it right up here. Crab, and then crab with bubble. And then I named this one Bubbles, and then Octopus, Octopus 1, B, if we go over here, we see that, 1B1. We've got our Starfish, Starfish A, Starfish B, and Starfish 2, Starfish A, Starfish B as his costumes, and then our fish, Fish A, Fish B, and then we've just got our text, and it says it's instructions. So go ahead and do that before our lesson 14, and then we'll move on and we'll talk about scripts and sounds.